Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show you how to put on a Miata Hardtop, step by step. First, let's prepare. You'll need a friend to help, a 5mm hex key, and a 10mm wrench. Make sure your soft top is completely folded down and latched securely. Take a moment to clean both the hardtop and your car's mating surfaces to avoid any scratches. Also, check the hardtop's weather stripping for any signs of damage or wear. Now, with your friend's help, carefully lift the hardtop. Position it directly over your Miata, aiming to align the front latches with their receivers on the windshield frame. It's crucial to ensure the rear mounting points line up perfectly with the car's side strikers. Gently lower the hardtop, making sure it settles evenly and smoothly onto the car's body. Take your time here for a perfect fit. With the hardtop in place, it's time to secure it. First, engage the two front latches by rotating them clockwise until they are firmly secured. Next, insert the side striker bolts into the rear mounting points on each side. Use your 10mm wrench to tighten these bolts. Finally, use your 5mm hex key to secure the two rear Frankenstein bolts, ensuring everything is snug and safe for your drive. Before you hit the road, perform a few final checks. Double-check that all four latches and bolts are firmly tightened for maximum security. Look for any noticeable gaps between the hardtop and the car body, which could indicate an improper seal. Test your windows to ensure they roll up and seal properly against the hardtop. If your soft top has a rear window protector, remember to store it safely.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.